Hello everyone, this is Kimmy Kim and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 5 of the 5 days of Valentine's Day, and it was a challenge given to me by Dear Julie and Cara Brandon. And in video 1 for day 1, actually, day 1 of 5, I showed you the whole kit of Cara and Julie's Digi kit. And today my challenge is to see what I can make out of these 3 tags and this pocket and some ephemera. So what I've done is, for this pocket, instead of making a pocket, I made a little booklet, and I thought it turned out really cute. I put a little pocket, I just used some tags for that, and made these little fold out pages and used a little image in the back. So that was one thing that I made, and this is going to be a pretty short video, so won't take up too much of your time. Actually, I'm getting this out late today. This is the 5th day, and this I just used. This would look really good actually on a cover of a journal, as well as this image from Julie's kit, part of the kit, but I backed them and made them journaling cards. So I did it the easy way. So let's see, I had a lot of fun doing these tags. Tags are one of my favorite things other than junk journals. And this is how I did this. So I layered it by making different sizes of the tags in cardstock. And then I did cheat, and I used one of Tracy Fox's tags here and a little embellishment here with a bulb pin and one of Tim Holtz's charms that says number 15, and some Sorry Silk there as the tag topper there. And this one too, I did a little different with the bow on top, or not the bow, but the tag top here. And I added the bulb with the number 17. And the images are so beautiful. I just didn't want to cover them up. Same with this one here. Like I just had to show the whole image and show, the butterfly, how pretty it is, that part of the tag. So this is the tag, much smaller, and then I blew it up to use as a pocket. So, and just put a little number, what do you call it? I don't know what you call them, tags, labels. And then on this one here, I just layered it a little bit, and put some lace and some cheesecloth. And I cut out the Do 6. It was on one of the other tags that was on the cardstock. And the word poppy. And just, layered it and put the bow on top. Now I did back these. Now that wasn't pretty. That's a faux pas on my part, because I didn't realize that had that on there. But we won't look at that. We'll cover that up. But I backed them with a file folder, so they would be nice and sturdy. So that was day 5 of the 5 days of Valentine's Day. So thank you so much, Dear Julie, and Cara Brandon, so much for your digital kits and letting me be one of your elves, your little part of, having a little challenge each and every day until we're ready for Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day, everyone, and take care and stay safe.